Hi Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for those that are in separation and not communication. I do have another playlist for those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. That's the Energy Eye channel. So if you're not sure where you fit, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. Remember that it's not gender specific, it's timeless, and it's only Leo energy. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. You can get my specials for November. They are out on Facebook and Instagram. My links are below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for me. Hit that subscribe button. Please, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. So I would really love your support on that. And let's see what's happening, Leo. Very interesting energies coming out for you, Leo. First card that came out was the Star. Okay, and the Star is about hope, it's about balance, it's about healing, it's about the stars aligning for you. But this is really what I feel. You could be a star of some kind, famous even in your community or very popular. Leos are usually very popular and famous people. They just got that charisma and just got that shine about them, that fire. So you could be in some kind of a fame or be some kind of a star, Leo, or just very popular in general. But I feel like stars are aligning for you in your life, and you have come into that place of balance within yourself. Without your twin flame and soulmate, and you are just shining very brightly. You've grown, you've awakened, your third eye is open, you're following your intuition, and you are just shining very brightly, I feel, with this card. You have really worked and put a lot of work into yourself to actually come out of codependent type of habits, whether that was addictions or chasing, is also some type of anything that is something you keep doing out of habits maybe, or that is codependency. But this could also be dependent upon someone financially or dependent on someone emotionally. And I really feel like you've really gone through this. You've already healed this behavior within yourself, whatever that was for you, to be the star. All right, and this is why you are very much in balance in yourself right now and just shining very brightly, Leo. And I feel like you're in a really good space with yourself. All right, I did get very contrasting energies here, but this is not what I feel. I did get the Nine of Swords. Now, the Nine of Swords is dark night of the soul. But I do not feel dark night of the soul for you coming from this card. This card is about having sleepless nights, being haunted, depressed, kind of energies, very low kind of energies, but it is a completion card, number 9. But what I feel from this card is definitely you having sleepless nights and being haunted, but not by what has happened in the past. That you've already healed in yourself, Leo. I don't feel a low energy coming from this. You can see this woman here, she's holding her fingers like binoculars and the eyes are pitch black on the inside, can you see? So she's using her intuition. And I feel like your intuition is haunting you right now and keeping you up at night to get you to listen. Your intuition is haunting you, Leo. It's telling you to do something. And you might be resisting this. I actually feel you're resisting this. And the reason why you're resisting this is because you've already become the star and you're shining brightly and you kind of don't want to shift out of these energies. Your intuition, is haunting you. To do what, Leo? To reach out and make an effort towards your twin flame or soulmate. Your intuition is telling you, great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. and you are avoiding it. You are hearing it. Your intuition is haunting you, keeping you up at night. Probably your twin flame or soulmate are appearing in your dreams. You might be thinking about them again after a long time of actually letting them go and fully walking away from them, going through this huge healing process, coming into balance with yourself, reaching stability within yourself. And what happens now? Now your intuition is actually guiding you to reach out and make an effort with your twin flame or soulmate, the one from the past. And you're kind of like, no, I'm not going there. I've healed. I've walked away. I've really become the star of my own life and my own journey. I'm in a really good space. Now you want me to reach out and make an effort with my twin flame or soulmate again? Yeah. And again, the death card came out here. Death is about death and rebirth. It's about a sudden ending that took place in the past year that may have come unexpectedly with you, with your twin flame or soulmate. It really destroyed a lot of things for you, left you dead inside for quite some time, unable to really find yourself and get moving and stand up and get up and start living again. Yeah, Leah, I feel like you were stripped from everything. You were completely defeated through this ending with your twin flame or soulmate. But you did go through the transformation, the rebirth as well. When you got up eventually, you got up as the star. You stepped into the star energy, finding hope within yourself to really walk this journey on your own and find your happiness within. And now, your twin flame or soulmate are popping up in your energy, and your intuition is haunting you and guiding you to actually reach out and make an effort with him. And again, there's those black eyes. That is the intuition here. I feel that intuition haunting you at night, especially at night here, Leo, to take action towards your true love. Your intuition is telling you it's your true love and it's the romance of a lifetime, and you should take those steps now. I do feel a blocked energy. With both these cards, I feel unseen. You can't be seen. So I feel like you blocked your twin flame or soulmate. You completely blocked the communication. This is what I feel with those dark eyes. They cannot see what's going on in your life. And your intuition is asking you to unblock and make that effort. Take the steps to reach out to them, make communication possible. To unblock that energy, and it's haunting you and keeping you up at night, and you're probably having dreams and visions and all those kind of things, and you may have not been thinking about them for quite some time with the swords here, and now you're thinking about them again, and you go, what is happening? I am in a good space. I'm in a good space, but sorry, I'm laughing, Leo. But yeah, you're going to be haunted by this until you make that effort and you actually take those steps. I'm going to leave it there, Leo. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. Get my specials on Facebook and Instagram. They are out for November. And please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right over here at the bottom somewhere, and help me get to that 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Leo.